有点模糊。
差不多了哈。
Now it's power off. First power on. This one. Turn on. And then this one. Power on. Machine will be have the power now. Here. Now open the ANC studio. Now it will be show you back home.
不清。
等一下，停止，停止。
你看老不清楚了。
我说你就调这个。
看清楚了。
哎，你给它拉近调焦距。这个是拉远拉近的，这个是调清楚不清楚的。
哦 ，so that's nice。
啊 ，so nice， 我。哎，这他妈的一会儿，机顶给关上啊。
等会儿我看看。
哎，这个调清楚不清楚的，这边这个是拉远近的。
你刚才点的是这个图标是吧？
啊？
你刚才点的是这个图标吧？
这个。啊。
那我就得把这个图标录上，我就得把你这个图标录上。
啊。
你箭头放到这的时候，我看。
那个就是说，先把这个画面让它覆盖全面了，覆盖全面那个，哎，现在开始，哎，现在开始，哎，啊，你别慌。Now we destroy the machine. Now we keep the power on. This one, power on. And then now the ANC studio open. Now it will be show you and all access back home. All access. The machine will be moving. So this corner, it is the home person. Now the home person already finished and then close. Here the home person, this machine core, it is 0, always 0. Now we moving the X will be moving to there. Plus, X plus, Y plus, moving to there. Now here it is speed setting. This is the spindle speed. The maximum it is 18,000 maximum. Here hand view and George. the file this place. This place configure. We choose the second one. 2 cylinder and 2 converter. This one must be use this one. This all not useful. Only use this one. Don't forget. And now we try to do one program, one file. Now we first go to set the origin. Set the origin. Moving the X. Moving. Now there have 2 spindles. We first set the first spindle and then set the second spindle. And now we from here. The machine. Oh, 这个没有啊。
哦，不行不行。
真的吗 ？First open the first one. Open. And then it will be moving down the first spindle. And then one is near the material, near the wood. Here we choose this, and the speed keep it lower, and then the Z slowly, little by little down. Now it's already nearly. Use this hand view. No, use this little by little down. Until the cutter cuts the wood. And then now we right click here. Right click. It will be have this. And then now we setting the XY. The Z must be 0. And then now we use this one, first 0. Use the manual setting, this one. This pressing number will be come to here. And then press the OK. And then now we keep the Z up. Now we change the spindle. First close the first one. And then we open the second one. This one. Open. The second one will be down. Now we move in the Z. Down. 看那点哪点就行。Now it is the second cutter. Use this manual setting. The second one, it is the second the position. Then press OK. Now the second already set finish. Now we moving up the Z and close the second one. Now the second and the first all already setting finish. So now we use the auto. Press the auto. And here is right click, and open and the load. All access. We need to work in the file and open. File will become here. Now we can start working. This one, start. Never.千万那个镜头，哎，
没录好，再来一遍。
不用。这个动作主要是这个。Now the file is working finished. And one way here, I will be show you this one. It is the working piece, the prison. The materials here. Like this. This one working pump. This it is the off. This it is the on. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Like this. Here. Vacuum pump or the switch. That's collector switch. The emergency stop must be on.